Section 1.1.A-10. Shown to the right is a magic square. All rows, columns, and diagonals sum to the same number. We want to find the value of each letter. Now, in a magic square, again, all rows, columns, and diagonals have the same sum. The sum can be found in the given magic square because the diagonal, which falls from the top left to the bottom right, is filled. So you can see here that those numbers 9, 18, and 17 are numbers that you can add up, because the A, B, and the C and D doesn't give you that option there. So the sum to use can be found from the given diagonal. So the sum is 9 plus 18 plus 27, which is equal to 54. So let me write that in there. That should be equals. Okay. So now what we want to do, it says, so each of the rows, columns, and diagonals must have a sum of 54. So we're going to use this sum to find the missing numbers, and we're going to start with the far right column, where only one number is missing. So you can see here that only one number is missing, which is B. So the sum of the column must be 54, so let's find that. So that means that we have 19 plus B plus 27, and we know that that's going to equal 54. So now we're going to combine like terms. So if we add 19 and 27 over here on the left side, that's going to give us 46. So that's B plus 46, which is equal to 54. And then we're going to subtract 46 to both sides, and therefore B is going to equal 8. Okay, next. Now we found B, and now we can find A and go using the row, because we have two numbers in the row. So we know that we have 9 plus A plus 19, which is equal to 54. So now we're going to add 9 and 19. So 9 plus 19 gives us 28. And that's equal to 54. And now we're going to subtract 28 to both sides. And therefore, A is going to equal 54 minus 28, which is 26. Okay. And now let's take a look at either the diagonal or the row here, or the column, to find the letter C. So to find the letter C, we can say 9 plus 28 plus C, which is equal to 54. So 9 plus 28 gives us 37. And now let's subtract 37 to both sides. So 54 minus 37 is going to give us 17. Now we can choose to either use the middle column or the last row. We can use the middle column because we found A to be 26. And then we're going to add the middle number, which is 18, plus the value of D, and then we're going to set that equal to 54. So 26 plus 18 gives us 44, plus D, which is equal to 54. If we subtract 44 to both sides, then D is going to equal 10. Okay, so now let's take a look at the diagram here to make sure that we have this correct. Okay, so we have 9, the value of A is 26, 19. We have 28, 18, the value of B is 8. The value of C is 17, the value of D is 10, and then there is 27.